Pella 250 KD folding door frame assembly. Refer to the most current installation instructions on installpella.com for assembling and installing Pella product and for additional details on rough opening preparation for various wall system applications. Refer to the installation instructions for tools, materials, and specific steps needed to install your Pella product. Remember to always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Identify frame parts necessary: head, 2 jambs, and a sill. The sill can be identified by the weep holes. Confirm all the necessary components are present: frame gaskets pre-applied to the jambs, seal tape, 1 package of screws, sealant, KD nail fin corner, and alcohol wipes. If any components are missing, stop and make sure to obtain them before continuing. The process cannot be adequately completed without all proper parts and components. When assembling the frame, join the jambs to the sill, then the head to the jambs. Position the head, sill, and 2 side jambs exterior side up on a clean, flat surface in the orientation in which they will be assembled. Insert wood blocks under each corner to support and level the corners on an uneven surface, or position the frame parts on sawhorses. Be sure to assemble 1 frame corner at a time, joining the sill to the jambs first, followed by joining the head to the jambs. Using the provided alcohol wipes, clean the area where the jamb gaskets will be adhering to on the head and sill. Remove the adhesive backing paper from the gasket on 1 jamb frame corner near the sill. Use care if using an impact driver during the frame assembly process. If not careful, impact drivers can cause screw head breakage. Insert the prepackaged number 8 by 2 1/2 inch frame assembly screws into the pre-drilled holes in the jamb. Fasten 1 corner at a time, make sure each screw is aligned with the proper screw boss, and tighten each screw sequentially and evenly until the jamb is tightened firmly against the sill and/or head. Use care if using an impact driver during the frame assembly process. If not careful, impact drivers can cause screw head breakage. Repeat on other sill corner and then on the 2 head jamb corners. Remove the adhesive backing paper of the seal tape to expose the sticky side of the tape. Apply the provided seal tape to the outside of the jamb sill joint on both sides. Once the tape has been applied, remove the mylar backing. Once the mylar backing has been removed, work the tape into any voids into the frame to ensure a good seal. Apply the nail fin corner. Fill the outermost hole on the top of the frame as well as apply a bead of sealant to the nail fin on the jamb and head. Firmly apply the nail fin corner into place. Make sure the nail fin corner is on the outer portion of the frame mounted to the face of the frame. Use the provided frame sealant to seal each jamb to sill interior joint with a uniform bead. Make sure the twin bolt channel and guide roller channel both are sealed with the sealant. Tool the sealant to make sure the corner is covered.